Air Swipe, Demystified, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, air swipe. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's break the phrase down. Air, the invisible gaseous substance surrounding the Earth, a mixture mainly of oxygen and nitrogen. Swipe, a quick, sweeping motion, often with the intent to hit or remove something. Now, combining the two, an air swipe could be imagined as a swipe or a swing made in the air. It's like trying to hit or grasp at something but missing it entirely. While the literal understanding can paint a picture, the phrase is often used figuratively in English. When someone makes an air swipe, they might be 1. Making a futile attempt, trying to do something but not achieving the desired outcome. 2. Missing a point or opportunity, not grasping an idea or not seizing a chance when it appears. Examples. When John tried to explain quantum physics to me, it was an air swipe. I couldn't understand a thing. She made an air swipe at catching the ball but missed it. To better understand air swipe, it helps to know related phrases or idioms. Here are a few. 1. Swing and a miss, an attempt that results in failure. 2. Grasping at straws, desperately searching for solutions with little chance of success. 3. Shoot in the dark, to guess or attempt something without adequate information. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, air swipe. We hope this video has made the meaning clear and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, English is full of intriguing phrases and idioms, and understanding them can enrich your language skills. Happy learning!